Hello my friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel Therichpost. Myself Ajay and I hope you are doing great. So guys, this working video I'm going to show you Vtiger admin dashboard demos fully customized with Bootstrap 5. So friends, before showing you working demo, I must say if you will have any kind of queries, CSS requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. Also, please contact me via my beautiful blog. Therichpost.com has contact us page, my email ID, WhatsApp number and Upwork ID as well. And guys, also you will get all the free demos on my blog for Angular, React.js, Vue.js, e-commerce templates, admin dashboard templates, and so on. You will check and you will get all the stuff. Now back to Vtiger demo. See guys, here is a Vtiger demo and I have customized this with Bootstrap 5 and fully functional. See, the toggle sidebar works well. And one thing I must say, I am modifying it more. So I will show you only the home page now. The demo is, I can say, 30% ready. I'm working on next pages as well. See. But for now, the home page. See. The languages toggle, friends. New order pop-up with Bootstrap 5. Notification toggle. Message toggle, notifications toggle, and user toggle as well. And now, see the beautiful other section. See. Beautiful sales, total cost, and product source stats. Beautiful chart, see friends, overview, revenue versus cost, work rate, product section, see friends, best of all time, income chart, expenses, order summary table, and footer. So guys, see, this is the home page that I have built with fully customized Bootstrap 5 in Vtiger. Friends, after it I will come with more demos and templates as well. And I must say, don't forget to subscribe my channel, share and like. And also, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye.